You can see them moving through early Wednesday. By the time we get to 8, most of this will be cleared through, but we will have mostly cloudy skies early before we break it back out with partly cloudy skies on Wednesday. Then we take it into Thursday. How about some sunshine all day long? We'll keep it dry on Thursday as well. Place where it's not dry, tropical storm Brett. It has just formed over the last 10 minutes, and that is our second tropical storm of the year. Winds 40 miles per hour. We do not need to worry about that one. We do need to worry about this one. This is disturbance number 3. It will become Tropical Storm Cindy, and that's likely to happen in the next 24 hours.
Understand what happened.
So many unanswered questions after a U.S. Navy warship is rammed by another ship